Top 6. Best Laser Engraver Machines. If you're looking for the best laser engraving machine, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Best Overall. Bibbo 3D Printer Dual. At the top of our list is this dual-function laser engraver and 3D printer from Bibbo. With a full-color touchscreen and a sturdy frame, this 2-in-1 machine produces quality engraving and printing without much fuss. Their customer service is also reportedly top-notch. Standout feature. The dual extruder allows you to print in 2 colors and print 2 objects at one time. However, the machine only works on flat surfaces. Ease of assembly. The Bibbo 3D printer is simple to assemble. Included with the device are detailed instructions in print and on video. This includes info about how to set up the machine as well as how to operate and use the programs. Ease of use. This machine is easy to use once you set everything up. There may be a bit of a learning curve for people who are new engraving, but that can be offset by taking advantage of Bibbo's customer support and detailed instructions. Number 2. Best Premium. Glowforge Plus 3D Laser Printer.
Close the lid.
There's no software you need to install. Everything just runs free off the web app. So just pick what you want to print.
I'm guessing we go to add artwork.
Yep.
Perfect. I'm now going to go ahead and place the artwork. And the lid of the box is going to be this one right here.
That's it. All right, just click the print button. You're done.
Okay.
Bobby, there's only one thing left to do. You got to push the button. And there's only one button, so it's glowing.
Here we go. That is super satisfying.
The Glowforge is actually moving the laser beam back and forth, pulsing thousands of times a second to engrave your "Hi Mom" onto the basswood plywood. Then it's going to slow down, it's going to go full power, and it's going to cut the outlines of that box.
It's going to cut this, it's going to print this, and I don't have to do anything. This is good, this is so cool.
And all the tabs and fasteners are all included in the prints. There's no hardware, it's just going to snap together. Let's see how it came out.
So far, I'm pretty impressed, both with myself and the Glowforge. It's not hot or anything. I can just go ahead and...
Oh yeah.
And these are the pieces, right? This is the box.
Yeah, I just grab each piece and sort of line them up down here, maybe.
All the pieces I would normally have to punch out or stand behind.
One last thing. So, proof-grade material comes with a protective paper coating.
Right on.
We're just going to peel it off. So grab a piece, grab a corner, and look at how beautiful that is underneath.
As a child, I'd be asking for this for a gift because there's no way you're going to get anything less than an A+ for anything created on this machine. Right?
You know, I have twin 10-year-olds,
Yeah?
and the things that they make with our family Glowforge blow my mind. My daughter made necklaces that she sold at a school fundraiser. My son made a rubber band launcher in the shape of a dragon. This just takes their creativity and lets them express it in entirely new ways. That satisfying click.
Keep adding these on. Okay, so we're gonna make the rest of this lid. All right, I think that's it.
All right, Bobby, that's your first print. It looks fantastic.
Would you say the best first print of all time?
I would say the best first print ever. In all of Glowforge history.
Okay, so we're done with this box, and how did we go overtime?
I said it was going to be less than 30 minutes. With that 7-minute print, we came in at just over 20.
Number 3. Best Budget. Order Laser Master 2. The Order is a decent machine for basic engraving work. It's easy to set up and is safety fitted with a G sensor on the main board to detect unauthorized movement. While the cutting quality is top-notch, it can struggle to do highly detailed work. Standout feature. The Order comes with a triple safety protection system. It turns off automatically if the machine is bumped, if the USB connection fails, or if there is no movement on the stepper motors. Ease of assembly. While the Order does require some assembly, it is fairly simple if the instructions are followed carefully. Number 4. Best Value for Money. Genmitsu CNC 3018 Pro. Number 5. Most compact design. LaserPecker Pro Portable Engraver Laser.
This is LaserPecker, the world's smallest smart portable laser engraver. Start from scratch. Automatic lifting and focusing. It can determine the height of the object accurately and engrave precisely. LaserPecker can copy your sketch to make it work on your desktop. Choose a favorite photo and connect to your smartphone or tablet and start engraving immediately. There are no restrictions on LaserPecker. Record your ideas at any time, anywhere, with any pattern and style. Exclusive foldable protective cover. Provides better protection and using experience. You can also use it to cut out the model from cardboard or blanket. With LaserPecker, you can decorate your home or even your loved ones. Make the ordinary day become extraordinary. Personalize your item. Draw and engrave on craft cardboard, wood, leather, and many other materials with so many different applications. It is also suitable for expanding tripods. Carve any place that belongs to you. LaserPecker is compact and portable. It can be lifted, folded, and stored fast. You can take it anywhere. It's easy to get LaserPecker ready to work. Laser engraving is as simple as having a cup of coffee. Realize all your imaginations with LaserPecker.
Number 6. Largest work area. AtomStack Rose A5 Laser Engraver. Why we like it? AtomStack's laser engraver takes top spot when it comes to versatility and large work area of 410 by 400 millimeters. With a decent price point, AtomStack's laser engraver and cutter provides versatility, value, and a generous engraving area. This user-friendly device is lightweight and well-built, although it doesn't perform as well with metal or thick wood. The company also provides a 30-day unreasonable return and 12 months of free maintenance, replacement parts, and technical support. Standout feature. This device comes with a laser protective cover, removing the need for engraving goggles. Ease of assembly. Assembly is simple with this device and can be done in less than 30 minutes if the instructions are followed carefully. Ease of use. AtomStack's engraver is suited for beginners and is user-friendly once it's up and running. However, the software can require a bit of a learning curve for people who are new to this technology. If you're struggling, YouTube tutorials like this one can give you a helping hand. Pros. Easy to assemble. User-friendly. Lightweight. Cons. Doesn't perform well with thicker wood. Metal etching can be poor. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.